Whenever I'd do something good, Dad here'd give me a gold star.
Didn't happen much.
Whenever 1 Hour Heating and Air does something good,
Like our magical AC inspections and tune-ups.
you're getting a Dependaworthy sticker. Our promise, your air is running exactly like the manufacturer said it should. Even better.
That's gonna cost us a bundle in stickers.
But it'll save you a bundle in repairs.
1 Hour Heating and Air.
Dependaworthy.